So, if you want to say hello to someone, you say kia ora, or kia ora iho, or if there's more than one, kia ora iho ma. But what if you want to say goodbye? Ooh, that's tricky. It's tricky because it depends if you are staying or leaving. So, the particle e, the letter e, is used as a particle of address, kia ora e hoa, but it can also be a command, like e tu, stand up, and e noho, sit down. Now, the word ra means over there. So if you say e noho ra, that means sit down over there. Yeah? And this is what you say to someone or to a group of people if you're leaving. E noho ra basically means sit down, and if someone else is going, you say haere ra. Now haere means to go, and ra means over there, so pretty much it means go away, sit down, go away. Haere ra, e noho ra. So it's tricky to remember which one's which. E noho ra if you are leaving to people who are staying, sit down, e noho ra. And if you are staying and they are going, haere ra, go away, stay sitting down, haere ra, e noho ra. Easy.